Daphne here with an app recommendation for all you intrepid worldwide travelers. But first, I'd like to invite you to join my Facebook group, Second Half Travel Adventures. I love this app. Text translation, translate between 108 languages by typing. Tap to translate, copy text in any app and tap the Google Translate icon to translate all languages. Offline, translate with no internet connection, 59 languages. Instant camera translation, translate text and images instantly by just pointing your camera, 94 languages. And that's just a few of the advantages of getting this app. I can't get along without it when I travel internationally, and that's why I am recommending it to you.